Cryptocom staking app. The pros, the cons. The Cryptocom staking app allows users to earn rewards by locking up their cryptocurrencies in the platform's ecosystem. Most people get this wrong by assuming staking is complicated, but the surprising truth is that Cryptocom makes staking accessible, flexible, and even gamified with tiered benefits. Pros include support for multiple coins, including Crow, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Users can choose flexible or fixed-term staking, with higher rewards for longer commitments. Staking also unlocks perks such as higher cashback on their Cryptocom Visa card, better loan rates, and access to premium features. Security is robust, with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and insurance coverage for certain assets. Cons include locking up funds during the staking period for fixed-term options, meaning you can't access them immediately. Rewards vary depending on network and market conditions, and staking large amounts may require higher-tier account verification. Some users may find the interface slightly overwhelming due to multiple tiers and bonus structures. In conclusion, the Cryptocom staking app is great for users who want both passive crypto income and additional perks within the platform. It works best for those willing to commit funds for higher rewards while enjoying the extra benefits of Cryptocom's ecosystem.